What if I told you that your hard skills alone won't get you promoted? Many professionals believe that collecting more certifications, taking more courses, and mastering hard skills alone is a key to career growth. But the reality, it's not what gets you promoted. If you feel stuck in your career despite being great at your job, this video is for you. Today I'll share soft skills that can accelerate your promotion faster than any hard skill. There was a time when I believed that if I just gained more knowledge, took more programs, earned more certifications, studied at more universities, I would be in high demand. I thought that if I completed one more course, I would sign more contracts with new clients because I would have more expertise. But then came a pivotal moment. I had a conversation with an experienced entrepreneur who shifted my perspective. They said, your knowledge is just enough. If you want to succeed, start talking about your ideas with people, build relationships, and find influence points. So I took a risk. I stopped waiting to be more qualified and started networking, communicating, and building meaningful relationships. And guess what? My first big contract didn't come because I knew more than others, but because I started to build a real connection. That's when I realized soft skills, not just expertise, drive career growth. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria Kuznetsova. I'm an executive coach, leadership and communication trainer, and founder of Meta Company. We help companies improve communication, leadership, and team dynamics to drive sustainable business results. My personal mission: to help companies build more inspiring work culture where everyone can thrive. The first skill you have to have is communication. Leaders value professionals who can articulate their ideas clearly, communicate with purpose, and navigate conversation confidently. Strong communicators know what they want to achieve in discussion. They back up their thoughts and ideas with logical arguments and can structure their conversation effectively. Let me give you an example, an idea. Next time when you present your ideas, use the BLUF method. Bottom line up front. State your main point first, then provide important details. This saves time, demonstrates leadership, and increases your influence. The bottom line up front is a communication technique used to provide key information clearly by starting with the most important point first. It's commonly used in business, leadership, and military communication to ensure clarity and quick decision-making. For example, instead of saying, "We've tested different strategies, analyzed the data, and found that LinkedIn is more effective," use this method. "We should shift 50% of our ad budget to LinkedIn because it delivers twice the ROI. The data confirms this after 3 months of testing." Now let's talk about emotional intelligence and self-awareness. People who can handle stress, conflicts, and feedback well stand out. I once worked with a top management team who primarily focused on business metrics, avoiding any conversation about their interpersonal dynamics in a team. I encouraged them to view the business problem from a different angle by considering the relationships and team dynamic at play. When some team members began addressing interpersonal conflicts, it sparked unexpected transformation. By applying emotional intelligence and addressing the root cause of communication breakdown, they were able to shift how the entire team functioned. This is what strong leaders do. They don't just focus on numbers, they focus on people. Promotion go to those who handle uncertainty and solve problems proactively. And here we are talking about solving problems and adaptability. Instead of just reporting problems, always suggest a solution that aligns with business KPIs and goal. This shows that you can see a bigger picture and can contribute to company success. Be a leader and influence even before you have a title. Taking ownership and inspiring others gets noticed. Take initiative in strategic projects that are important for business. Volunteer for high-impact projects and mentor juniors. Promotion often comes from who knows and trusts you. And here we're talking about networking and building relationships. Schedule casual one-on-ones with leaders in your company. Find allies and build networking with peers, people who can support you and advocate for your growth. And here is a practice and a gift for you how to develop these soft skills. Rank yourself on these 5 skills from 1 to 10. What's your weakest? Choose one skill to focus on every week. For example, practice clear communication in meetings. Get feedback from someone who's already at the level you want to reach. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually improve these skills? This is exactly what I help professionals do. As a mentor and coach, I help leaders, teams, and managers to improve their soft skills, communication, and accelerate their career growth. If you are serious about stepping up in your career, I invite you to book a coaching session with me. Check the link in the description. Soft skills are like muscles. The more you develop them, the stronger your career position becomes. The sooner you start, the faster you grow. I'd love to hear from you. Which of those soft skills do you want to develop more? If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more practical strategies how to grow as a leader and accelerate your career. See you!